The oil market is standing still. This can be attributed to the fact that lately market participants have become accustomed to countless news reports, while today's macroeconomic calendar is bereft of any important releases. The media is focused on the UK and major central banks' monetary policy. However, this range-bound trading is unlikely to last long. Europe is still facing growing energy challenges, while the region is already starting the heating season. Germany has announced that it will refrain from imposing a price cap on Russian oil, fearing further Russian energy cuts in a response. Most likely, this topic will dominate top news headlines in the near future. This will revive the energy market, including the oil one. In the meantime, Brent crude oil futures are drifting around the bottom of the downward cycle. If selling pressure persists, the benchmark may touch the level of $90 per barrel. The asset will extend losses if the price fixes below the 90 mark, which will lead to a continued decline towards the local low of September. Alternatively, the downtrend may be limited by the area of 91.50 and 92.00. In this case, the price may well reverse to the upside. Gold is still trying to hold steady. However, yesterday's statement by Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey on a further tightening in the monetary policy clearly indicates the future of the yellow metal. Interest rate hikes make gold less attractive than government bonds, which are steadily rising in yields. So capital flows from one safe haven instrument to others will continue. Thus, gold is expected to dip to $1,600 per troy ounce or even lower by the end of the year. The volume of short positions will increase further after the price fixes below $1,640 per troy ounce. Meanwhile, the Russian currency continues to recoup early losses as expected. The dollar has already slid below 62 rubles. At the same time, the situation with the ruble has remained unchanged for more than a week. There are still no fundamental drivers behind its growth. Of course, the ruble is trying to recover after breaking into oversold territory. However, its rebound was supposed to end in the range of 62 to 63 rubles. If the Russian currency does not return to this area in the near future, it will most likely hit to the level of 60 rubles per dollar. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon!